Hi, Alex. My name is Joelle, and I'm with ZOE SEO and Web Design. I just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing us to send this video to you. So basically, I just want to go over some things that we do in the realm of search engine optimization and website building that may help you in your business. So it doesn't look as though you have a website. In fact, my friend Peter, who called you today, he said that he didn't think that you had a website, but I do see that you do have your Google My Business account, which is good, and you are listed in Yelp. So these are definitely some things that are are workable, and what we would want to do, Alex, is take the content here. You have an amazing amount of services that you offer. And so, man, there was a whole lot more listed a second ago. A whole lot more services. I don't know why they cut off some of the services. This is why I don't like Yelp. You had like nearly 30, 40 services right here when I just checked this Yelp listing a second ago. Okay, well, let me try this one. Maybe it's this one. That's why you can never be too sure with Yelp. There we go. So what we would do is we would build you just a simple website based on these powerful services that you offer and your locations that you serve. So what is involved with a search engine optimization, and that's basically getting your website to the top of Google, is content and keywords. Keywords in your content, backlinks, and referring domains. Let's just talk about the content first. So basically within a website, you would want to have about 1,500 words on your front page there, which we would take about 15 of these services and area locations that you have, and we would create content around these words. And you can actually show us which particular services that you want to focus on. And we would create content for your website on those. We would also create service pages. And then let's just, for an example, when you Google local handyman services, this is what pops up. Now, this right here is an example of the Google My Business, except for, see, you have one, just say, you have a Google My Business, but it's not popping up when we Google local handyman service because it hasn't been optimized yet. And so that's another thing is we can optimize your Google My Business account and get it ranking in the top for certain specific keywords that you would want to be found for. And that's very easy. You don't even have to have a website to get your Google My Business listing optimized. So we would want to start there, but we'd also want to start with getting you a website built up. And so basically, if you scroll down under here, you're going to find the organic things called backlinks and citations. So let's just take a look at this guy right here. This one is a listing, kind of like Yelp, and this is a listing. We'll take a look at this guy. Now I know that he's all over the place and very big. So his profile here with the search engine optimization links, keywords, and domains is going to be pretty big. But just to give you an idea, this is a tool that we use to see how people rank or how websites rank in Google. And right now, this guy's everywhere and he's all over the place. But what Google is looking for is more local businesses. And so if we could get you ranking to the top in that first page, that's what they're going to prefer. So instead of all of the listings and directories like that. So we would want to get you to the ranking to the top. But basically right here, you're going to see that they are they have 123,000 keywords. Now, you definitely do not need to have 123,000 keywords at all, but just to give you an idea what it looks like. He's got handyman, handyman near me, handyman services. See this is the search volume, and this is basically nationally over 103,000 searches, handyman near me. We were going to do more localized optimization to find a handyman in Los Angeles, those kind of things. Handyman in Silver Lake or Echo Park, handyman in Hollywood. That's what we would want to do for you. And also implement within your content the things that you do as specific keywords. So let's just go back. Oh, shoot, I think I pushed the wrong button. Nope. Okay, so the referring domains is places that your website would be listed, such as in a directory like Yelp or Thumbtack or Houzz or something like that, blogs. There's just an endless number of places that you could have your website listed. And then also those listings give power to links back to your website. And so that's where these three come into play. And that's what we would work on when we build a website for you, is optimizing it so that it would be on the front page. It's a very simple process. And I would love to speak to you more. If you're interested, Alex, in boosting your sales out there and making yourself known, just respond to this email and I'll be reaching out in a couple days. Thank you.